All right, here we are. We're over here off the University Avenue. There's a Home Depot over here. Over here is Cub Foods. Just had a chicken sandwich over there at BK. It was okay. So here's a pedestrian bridge going across 694, 20th day of September 2024. Beautiful day. Okay. Railroad bridge over here. You can see this time I brought my lighter. So let's go across this bad boy. Wonder if douche works here. I don't know if I can get over there or not. The railroad track. We'll see. Sure. Oh, that was a license. Here we go. Go across this little pedestrian bridge. Get you across the highway. If you live over there. There's that railroad track over there. Some garbage. Looks like relatively new. Some of these will tell you when they're built, but it's kind of a nice one. Pretty easy to get to. Got hotels over there. Got Burger King, McDonald's. We'll see if I can go rail fanning over there. I don't know. We'll see. You'll find out in the next video. A little windy. I had to light my cigar behind that truck, but the old Mighty Mighty Mo's over there. Pretty slow on a Friday. The Houston Tacos are in town. Here in week 3 of the National Fix-It League. I know Iowa's in town. Well, beautiful day for filming so far. It's just gorgeous. Not too bad. A little wind. They're heading that way. I was going to go to White Castle, but it's off of 65. I'm like, I'll just have a quick chicken Sammy. But pretty relatively brand new, nice, nothing special. I don't know. So if you live over here, or you work over here and you want to walk across the street, do some shopping, you can. Not as big as the ones I've been on before. So, oh, I know it. Yep, here's the date. Bridge BR 02587. 2017. That's when it was built. So relatively pretty new. Alexandria, Minnesota, they built that one. Help us maintain sidewalks, trails, and bike trails. Take survey. People got to pick up their garbage, but they don't. They're cruising. Hell yeah. I see that they came out with the new, I got the 4, but the DJI came out with the 5 and the 13. I have a 10 in this. The 13's no different than anything else, but they did with the GoPro 13, the batteries don't fit in the 12, 11, 10. Biggest problem with GoPro, they overheat. So, like about DJIs, they're nice. Oh. There's a train over there on the railroad tracks. BNSF cruise along. But it's a pretty simple but nice. Surprised, it'd be smart if they put a thing over it so no one can throw anything over. So this kind of connects everything, Home Depot and everything else. I know that Cub is going to close the Brooklyn Center, the other Cub Foods, because it's in a shitty area. So. We're gonna go over and see if I can get on that railroad track. So, anyways, another pedestrian bridge. We wanted to get this one a long time. I got time today. Took some time. It's nice. So, they got all kinds of boot farm. I like that place. They have one in the Mall America. So, anyways. Just a quick one. We're going to cruise over there, that bridge over there, and see if I can get on there. So, who knows? I doubt it. Maybe. We'll see. But anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one. All right? Thank you.